Bitcoin is at a crossing road together with a lot of different charts, and in today's video I'm basically going to explain to you how I'm going to prepare for the coming price action and what I think is going to happen, which might be some turbulence in the markets, guys. So yeah, let's dive straight into it. And first of all, guys, let me make the camera let me make the screen big. So guys, it's almost Christmas, which means that we gotta delete trading view. We gotta stop watching the charts and start spending time with our family. That is very important. Don't be that guy that is on Christmas Eve or the whole time, every 5 minutes, checking his portfolio, checking the Bitcoin price, checking his open positions. There are more important things in life than Bitcoin, okay? I'm saying this to you guys because I have to say it to myself, right? So that is just something I want to share. If we have a look at Bitcoin, what do I think is going to happen? Well, right now we are in this rising channel. I do expect some upside in the shorter term time frame. However, I think it is based on time. There are some risks laying ahead of us, and I think that we could maybe go to the upside and then drop to new lows. Why do I think that? Well, a couple of reasons. We got the 60-day cycle right here, which predicts that we might see a low in the first week of January. We got a rejection right here. I know structure-wise we're still in the rising channel. However, I still think based on time, Mercury retrograde, there are some other time factors that I'm taking into consideration, which are basically showing for potential downside. One of the charts, also the Dixie hasn't seen a bounce yet. So I would be surprised if this chart goes like this. I would be surprised because I would expect a bounce, and a bounce of course in the Dixie would equal a drop in the S&P 500, drop in Dow Jones and so on. The only chart that looks actually good is the Dow Jones because we broke above that megaphone pattern, and so far we're holding that support, right? If this happens, like if we can see a bounce, that will be bullish for every market out there. But if we lose this, if we break back into this channel, this can be a bloodbath and we can just see lower levels. So don't only watch the Bitcoin chart if you want to know what's going on. Ethereum, clear structure, triangle formation. We're still trading in that. We entered that formation from a downtrend. Of course, likelihood is more that we are going to break out to the downside. Does that need to happen today? No. Can we first come up to the resistance? Yes. Can we break out to the upside? Yes. That will be confirmed once we have a clear break, retest, and we don't lose that level again. So this is basically what I'm watching, guys. I expect a continuation to the downside. Also, I'm heavily invested in Bitcoin, which means that if Bitcoin were to move to the downside, I need to have some form of a hedge, right? So you can do multiple things. You can sell your Bitcoin, wait for it to go lower, buy back in. That's not what I'm doing. I'm keeping my majority of my portfolio in Bitcoin, but I'm definitely planning to open shorts. When I see Bitcoin having a pump right here, I'm definitely planning to open shorts because I do expect that Bitcoin will drop down. This is just the most clear analysis that I can have based on time, on everything that I'm seeing. I just think this is the more likely scenario. If Bitcoin will go up, I will lose some money on my shorts, but my portfolio will go up in US dollar value because most of my money is in Bitcoin anyway. So this is my strategy, guys. And also I won't be uploading daily videos in the coming days. It's Christmas. I want to spend time with my family. I want to do some enjoy the environment a little bit, you know, be in the moment. Very, very important. But I might do some updates over on WhaleAlerts. So if you have not signed up on WhaleAlerts yet, make sure to do so, because there I might do some give some updates about what I'm thinking is happening with Bitcoin. And of course you will get automated signals. So whenever Bitcoin is pumping and we do see that potential reversal, that signal will definitely be a premium signal over on WhaleAlerts, which will be fired. And if you have your notifications on, you can just react whenever that happens, right? You don't have to wait on the website to see whenever you see such an extreme. No, you can just wait for a confirmation. The funding rates are positive. That is also something interesting that I'm seeing right now. Funding rates are positive. Also would confirm the bearish case unless we changed to a bull market, which I don't think is the case yet. We don't have any evidence of that so far. Then before we are going to wrap it up, guys, make sure to go to whaleportal.com. If you want, join WhaleAlerts. You can just join by joining Bybit. We're building a bigger platform. Definitely worth it. Big things are coming. New updates are coming for WhalePortal as well. We continue to work right here behind the scenes, but Rome is not built in one day, so it takes some time for us to really set things up. But things are coming. Things are definitely coming. Good things, which makes it even more better for you to predict the future price of Bitcoin. But if you go to learn, read all these articles. It will definitely help you with your trading game, but also this article, sunspot cycles and Bitcoin. And guys, I just make this because I like to do it, right? I don't gain anything by doing these researches, only for myself and my own trading, which anyway is the majority of my income nowadays. So most of the things that I'm doing is I just do this to share this with the community, okay? I just do this because I like to I just basically like to share my knowledge. And I think there was one moment, guys, in 2020, and I wrote down on a paper 2 things. And the 2 things that I wrote down was cash out Bitcoin at $60,000. Bitcoin will top September 2021. I said that in 2020 based on a cycle, based on the things that I'm seeing right back in that time. When it was 2021, when Bitcoin was stopping, it was very difficult to cash out Bitcoin. My whole life evolves around Bitcoin, and I'm a huge believer of Bitcoin, and greed also got the hand of me. So of course I didn't listen to myself, and no, I didn't cash out on my Bitcoin then. But I will make it my life goal to do it next time, and I already see, based on cycles, when Bitcoin is going to top the next bull market. I feel very confident, very sure that I know exactly what is going to happen, because that is based on the sunspot cycle, based on the 16-year cycle, and it will trap the majority of investors because we will top before the halving in 2024. We will top before the halving, and the halving event will be a very bearish event, and I'm saying it right here on the record, and I'm quite sure of it right now, and I will act on this, and I will encourage you to read this article, Sunspot Cycles and Bitcoin. Share this article with your friends, share this article with everyone who needs to see this, maybe bookmark this article, save it somewhere, so you know you can grab it in the next bull market, because you most likely will forget about it anyway, but it will be super important, right? I will make it my job to alert you guys on whatever happens here, so make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, to follow us on Twitter, all the Twitter accounts, and if you want more, of course, make sure to follow WhaleAlerts. But yeah, this is just I just think it's very important and interesting. But guys, that was it for today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. Christmas coming this weekend. I want to wish all of you a awesome Christmas. May all the wishes of you and your family come through. May you have a awesome time with them, quality time, exchanging love, expressing your love to each other, having beautiful conversations, having these nice evenings around the dinner table, which are unforgettable, which are filling your heart, which are basically the most important things. And don't be the whole time on your phone checking what's going on with Bitcoin. That's my plan, okay? That's my plan. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching. I wish you all the best Christmas ever. Who knows what's going to happen the next years, right? So I would highly encourage you guys to try to make it count, make it the best Christmas ever. It feels like I'm talking to myself too, because the past years I haven't been able to be with Christmas with my family because I was living in Indonesia. Who knows what I'm doing next year, right? I'm not even sure if I'm going to be in Holland. So yeah, I'm going to take the opportunity right here and spend this precious time with my family. and yeah, really try there to be there for them, and yeah, just make an awesome time. Guys, I hope you do the same. I wish you all a great Christmas. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.